Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by creating a new canvas with the exact size and DPI you need. This controls resolution and final print quality. Once you create it, add 3 basic layers: background, sketch, and linear, so you can work non-destructively. Make sure to set your color space and lock the background layer to avoid accidental edits. Next, open the brush settings. Choose an engine, set base size and pressure responsiveness. This gives you predictable strokes as you lay down your first marks. Now you block in major shapes and values with large brushes so you can see composition and lighting quickly. Once done, use selections and layer masks to isolate areas for safe edits. That lets you tweak shapes without harming base layers. Make sure to use transform tools for resizing or perspective fixes before committing. Then progressively refine with smaller brushes, apply blend modes to enhance color relationships, and use low-strength smudging to unify edges, while preserving text. To finish, create merged copies of visible layers so you keep editable originals, then apply global color and contrast adjustments to polish the image. Once satisfied, export using the proper format and color profile for your destination, and don't forget to save a layered CRAW file. If things go wrong, for example brushes lag or presets behave oddly, reset the workspace, clear Krita's cache, and restart. That often resolves plugin or memory glitches and gets you back to painting quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.